Okay, I couldn't get down here for a few days, and Tyler and Mark have been working like crazy. So Tyler's gonna give you a little rundown.
So we got the concrete in the holes, got the feet bolted to them, got the poles sitting on the feet, got them all lined up, got the rims around, got the main joists in place, and I'm starting the secondary joisting now. Should be all framed up by the end of tomorrow, and then it's to the decking.
And these lags you use, Tyler, they're 4-inch, you said?
4-inch ledger locks. They're made by Simpson, the same company as the feet. They're exterior grade, hardened, structural.
And you put them in with a screw gun?
They're big fat Torx bit, like a T40 or T45.
Oh, yeah, okay.
They go in nice. They're real coarse thread. They suck in tight. They'll go flush so you can wrap over it and they don't stick out.
Yeah.
We use some Simpson angles to connect into the ledger. The rim joist of the house is too thick, so we ran 4-inch lags through to hold on the main joist.
So do you pre-drill before you put the lag in? You do, right?
So the way I did it was I hung everything with 3-inch Torx screws and then took them out one at a time, and that was my pilot. When I took the screw out, I put the big lag in just so I could adjust everything with a smaller screw and then set it final.
Right. Yeah. And tell me about how you did the, because this is really cool, I think. Some of your beams here, I guess you call them beams.
Okay, primary joist. They're just tied in from the post to the house. They got structural hardware, 2x10 on both sides, and then a 2x4 treated at the top, put in flush, so the decking can line up when it hits over it.
I like it that it brings it out here even.
And each joist section is on opposite sides of the pole, hanging its own off separate sides. Instead of one joist being here with two sides hooked, they're both on their own.
Yeah, I like that.
It probably helps with deflection awesome with the fastening with both together.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that you use the 2x12s?
2x10s.
Gosh, they look pretty wide.
2x10.
Okay.
I notched the bracketry to sit on the wall where I could, so the bracket was held up by the stone.
Oh yeah, I see that. Okay.
No sinking.
Yep.
Check both sides of that sucker.
Yeah. They should not move. Very nice.
That one sits on a little bit, but yep, we're gonna keep going. We'll be standing on this thing at the end of the week.
Will we? So you'll be able to use ladders on here to do anything up out there.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice. Okay, thanks. Great job, Tyler. Looking really good.
Yep.